This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now.
Welcome back to This is America, where we document the decadent state of the greatest nation in the world.
Governor Laura Healey, a Democrat from Massachusetts, cries as she announces that she is converting Roxbury Recreation Center into a new shelter for illegals. Roxbury Recreation Center is utilized by hundreds of Boston residents every day, including many children and seniors.
Emotional, guys, okay? Because I'm committed to this. Little kids need to be able to breathe clean air. They need to be able to access swimming pools. They need to have lifeguards there who are going to teach them how to swim. And they need to have activities. I don't know what we're going to do for a couple, 3 months. I'll call universities. I'll call other places.
The governor went on to say she is also looking at other locations, but has not said exactly where.
Representative Ilhan Omar retweeted this account last night.
And then she did something weird whilst this all blew up. She retweeted this chap who was saying you need to take legal action against everyone defaming your character. And she was explaining that you can't sue people, telling me to go home. Again, Somali understanding of the US legal system. And this guy here, of course, is a hardcore Islamist. He wants the caliphate back.
There is a power with numbers. Breed like rats and establish global dominance. Inshallah, the 21st century will see the great rise of Islam. Glory be to Allah.
The Intifada is coming, is going worldwide.
He went a bit further than this, because he wasn't just claiming, of course, the Muslim lands. He then went on to tweet that out. That's his pin tweet. Long live the great replacement.
And a picture of Minnesota, is that?
Yes.
Is that the Somali flag on it?
Yes.
Yeah. I think it is, yeah.
Why would she do this?
Just be aware that there are people who have designs on what you have.
Yeah, sure.
And you can check out the local community and see actually this guy's wrong.
Yeah, sure.
He's
Little
totally
Mogadishu.
It's as American as this footage.
My
waddanka Maraykankana kuma taageerayo dad kaleeta in annaga.
I'm going to shut that up. Sorry.
Sorry, my instinct is that I think Ilhan Omar has gone to the Congress and she's made little impression on the place.
Horrifying, but not to worry. That's never going to happen. Right? Anyway, what's going on in New York? A large mob of illegal aliens brutally attacked 2 NYPD officers on Saturday near Times Square. But justice have been served. Just kidding. All criminals have been released without bail onto the streets of New York. Violent activists tore down dozens of statues including Columbus, Thomas Jefferson, and George Washington. None were held accountable or charged with a hate crime. Michael Cassidy knocks over a Satan statue made out of household items and gets charged with a hate crime. Welcome to America's two-tier justice system. The police state made it clear who they worship. Wokeness and Satanism is the new religion.
Man accused of destroying a satanic temple display at the Iowa State House in December is being charged with a hate crime. Michael Cassidy, a former congressional candidate from Mississippi, was originally charged with fourth-degree criminal mischief. Court documents say the cost to replace or repair the property is between $750 and $1,500. They also show that the act was committed in violation of individual rights under Iowa's hate crime statute. Both pieces of evidence bring the charge to third-degree criminal mischief, a Class D felony. Cassidy is set to be arraigned on February 15th.
11-year-old boy is hunted down and shot in Atlanta, Georgia right next to a busy road. Atlanta is a mess. Video footage shows the young boy running through a parking lot near Martin Luther King Drive. Police officers arrived at the scene and found the boy with 2 gunshot wounds. He was taken to the hospital. The Atlanta Police Department has not found the suspects and has only described them as 3 black males. A Colorado resident was removed by security after opposing Tiara's law, which would allow trans criminals to legally change their name and hide who they are. Her crime was misgendering Tiara and sharing facts about biological sex in his criminal history.
Get out of here. Sexing, correctly sexing. You know, sex matters, gender is nothing. It means nothing. Sex matters. It matters in prisons, it matters in sports, it matters in my bathroom. is nothing. It means nothing. I correctly sex everybody.
If it means nothing, then God. All right.
So the person this bill is written after is literally an admitted former prostitute and other.
Mr. Chair, I'm not going to do that.
And he works with children.
The committee is going to be in recess.
Now they do burlesque with. You know what? This is my time. I let them speak. I let them speak. I let them spill their bullshit about gender.
Okay, we're done. We're done.
Shit, that was the word that got me in trouble. But I can get up here and lie about the reality. About reality. These people are lying.
You know what?
Trans is not
You
a
can
thing.
either.
There is no such thing as trans.
What I'm going to ask
This is a
you,
mental
ma'am,
problem.
ma'am,
And women and children are suffering because of it.
ma'am,
And you all know I'm right.
ma'am.
And you're all cowards.
Excuse me.
That's what I'm saying. You're all a bunch of cowards
All right.
because you know that sex is real and gender is nothing.
Okay.
And you lie, and women and children are being hurt. So you guys keep lying. I would gladly leave. I would gladly leave. I said my piece. I'm not a coward.
Well,
when
good.
this all comes to a head,
Let's go.
I will be proud of what I did.
Let's go.
Thank you very much.
As a veteran and hardcore American patriot, I will always have hope for my country, and as such, I always like to finish the video on a positive note. This is for you, America. You are welcome.
This is so cool. We just got stuck. Thank you so much. Oh my God.
It's the guts and it's the glory. 100 stripes, 100 stories.
Thank you so much.
It's the Pledge of Allegiance on the 4th of July. It's them handwritten letters from home. It's them sleepless nights alone. It's his newborn baby he left with his wife. Mr. Red, White, and Blue, lay down, here's a line. Mr. Red, White, and Blue, for these stars and stripes. This is America. Don't catch you slipping.